Hello all. I wanted to show you a quick tip that I found to true tires up on scale model cars. The problem I was having is that the tire, some of the tires, they're kind of at an angle and they've got a lot of imperfections in the there's a real bad one right there. And what I did was got a electrical connector, a very large one, and I had that in the garage, but in a hardware store you could pick one up. I'm sure they're very cheap. And then I ran a bolt down in it and cut the head of the bolt off on a bench grinder. And then we just chuck it up. In your drill, so that it doesn't have to be perfectly straight, but fairly straight. And then put your tire in, and it fits on there pretty good, snug. Okay, I'm going to try to check that up a little better. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. You get your sanding block and start sanding it, screw it up. And you can see where it's really getting the edge, where it had that large lip. It's getting that first. Oop. Okay, I'm going to keep going because I'm getting really close. You can see that it's starting to true up. Chuck it back up here, put it back on. Looks like it's pretty much straightened out. Get the corners a little bit. Now that tire that was pretty much junk, that's pretty true. You know, fairly round. It's not critical for a model, but at least it will have a, some wear look to it, and also straight edge to it. Okay, that's it.